shade where we can retreat to. Sound like I got all timers on. We have made progress. Oh. Nitrogen elevator. Alright guys, this one in the bag. 7-ton coil replacement. And look at this ingenuity of the indoor coil and the way to get it up to the roof. This man right here. that ingenuity.
Poor person's shingle sled.
Yes sir. Alright guys, so I'm up here on the roof working on a 7-ton green gas pack, putting an indoor coil in, and I have literally had to take this thing completely apart, as y'all can see, just to get the indoor coil in there. You know, it had a filter rack and all this other stuff on it. It was just, and there's our return. Yes sir. And there's where I have to make my new connections on my coil for my liquid line, and I'm sorry guys, liquid line over here, and then the suction line 7/8 and 1/2 inch. Yeah, we just finally got everything up here on the roof, and y'all know how it is when you do commercial. You gotta get a good damn rope, right? Pull it all up here. There's my partner right there. And sadly, this is his last day. He's gonna be leaving me. Gonna be missing him. This is what we got, guys. Okay guys, so I got the liquid line and the suction line soldered in. Put a little bit of my heat shield gel on there to keep from burning up that, and even though I did put the heat shield on that, and where I made my joint and soldered there, even though I had that protected, it still burnt the Schrader valve up, but whatever. I just put the cap on really tight. So we're at the point now where we can start pulling a vacuum, and then, Jesus, you know what we got to do. Got to put it back together, right? Put the old umbrella up. Try to get a little shade where we can retreat to. Sound like I got all timers on. Been in the sun too long. That's another little handy dandy tool right here, guys. The gripper. You can put it, it's got 3 magnets, and then it's got a arm on it, for a stabilization arm. And you can put it like this, or you can mount it vertically. See, that's why you have this piece here. You can mount it vertically or horizontal. Coming back together slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Got the top back on it, guys. Still got to slap the sides on, but we have made progress. Okay. Got the panels back on. Just gonna charge it up with refrigerant and get out of here. Well, got to get everything off the roof first, right?
That's how we smoke with Filipinos. Tied in the ropes.
Oh!
Oh!
Nitrogen elevator coming down. Alright, Chris, I got it. Alright guys, we got it back together, back up and running. Took 7.5 pounds of 410A refrigerant, which I thought was totally damn ridiculous because it's a 7-ton gas pack, okay? Only 7.5. I know 4 tons that take twice as much, but whatever. Not complaining, just a little shock, a little setback by that, but whatever. So we got it running, got it charged up. This is our refrigerant pressures, like 130 over about 345. So we're back up and running. Just happy I'm done. I know Chris is. I'm gonna have to get all the stuff off the roof yet. Get the big umbrella, take it down. You know how it is. Alright guys, this one in the in the bag. Right? Alright, so y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. It helps my channel out. I appreciate all the support that I've got so far. Love each and every one of you. Y'all have a good day. Later.